In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $7,141 in just 2 months using 3 simple options bots that anybody can copy and steal. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it as well. So if we look into my Tasty Trade account, these options bots that you see here, which I'll walk you through in just a second, are connected to my Tasty Trade account ending in 026. Here's the account 026 right here. We can see that even if I just refresh the history, just you can see I'm not BSing you. It's connected to my account, and if I look over the last 60 days, I've generated roughly $12,200 in options premium, and I've been able to actually keep, as you can see here, about $7,141. So let's dive into exactly how I do this and how you can copy it for yourself. So I have 3 bots. I have a futures bullish bot, a bearish bot, and a daily income bot. You might be wondering why these 3 bots. I've covered this in other videos, but let me give you an idea of what's going on here. If we look at the market is only in one of 3 different phases. The market's either trending up and going higher, like this, where we have an uptrend. The market's either going down, a downtrend like this, or the market's flat, where it's staying relatively the same price. No matter what is happening in the world or the market, you can guarantee that it's going to be one of these 3 phases, up, down, or sideways. And so because of that, I need a bot that is going to profit from each different type of market. So during this bullish phase, I have a bullish bot, which I'll talk and show more about the details here. When the market is going down, I have a bearish bot to capitalize on it. And then I have a sideways bot and things that we take advantage of on a daily basis. If you've never heard of this tool, it's called the Options Auto Trader. I am 100% biased on this. This is a tool that I've built 2 years ago, and I've been improving ever since. We have over 1,000 options traders using this tool right now, and you can get a 30-day trial to it down below. But let me show you exactly what this is. So it starts off with my futures bullish bot, okay? You can see here my first trade was put on in July 9th, it looks like. So July, and now we're on September 8th as I record this video. So 2 months in. So again, you can see this bot alone has generated $6,562. Your long-term bullish spot is what's going to be the primary monthly income driver of any portfolio you have. So make sure you have a solid one. The one that I use here is a 1-1-1 strategy. So if we look into the bot, you can see here the strategy rules. This is done on ES. It can also be done on SPY or SPX or whatever else, but it's done on ES. This is a futures option strategy. It's 120 days out, and it's a 1-1-1 trade, which means basically here I have a put debit spread that I trade, and then I sell a put at the 10 delta mark. So here's my put debit spread. I buy a put at the 25 delta. I sell a put at 23 delta, and then I sell a put at 10 delta, which collects and generates my income. I enter this trade once a week on Wednesday. I'm about to up this to twice a week because I have the capital available to do that, and I want to increase my returns. So I'll be going and doing this to do it on Tuesday and Thursday instead of just once a week. My management rules for this bot is close the trade once the trade is hit a 50% take profit or a 300% stop loss. Quite simple. And I'm allocated $57,000 to this bot right now. So of the $57,000 that I have allocated to this bot, I've made roughly an 11% return on the money that I'm using, which is pretty good. So it's been 2 months. It's about 5% return on my capital every month using just this simple bot. Now, this bot will only run during bullish market because that's when it's designed to make money. I have a bearish bot here, which you can see is 0. It's doing absolutely nothing because I haven't hit a bearish market yet. We've been in a consistent uptrend. So there's been no need to turn on the bearish bot quite yet. But if I look at the settings here, you can just see it's a SPY and it's a simple put debit spread, meaning buying a put at the 30 delta and I'm selling a put at the 20 delta, just creating a put debit spread, which is going to make money as the market goes down. And so that's going to activate when the market is bearish, which it hasn't done yet. Then what I have here is my daily income bot. Why? I've been running just these 2 bots for over a year now, and this is what has generated the bulk of my money. This brand new account here, the $188,000 that I started with, was a brand new account that I just started. I have other accounts as well that you can look at, but this is the main account that I'm running with this strategy. And so these are what generate, as I mentioned, most of my monthly income. But there are times where these trades just take a while to close out, like 2 weeks to a month to close out this trade. And because of ADHD, I like seeing trading activity. I like looking at the market every day. I have a daily income bot that's placing trades on more of a daily basis. And this is what I call my daily 1DT ORB strategy. So it's simply opening range breakout strategy bot that takes advantage of the market. You can see here, if we go all the way back, it's been running since 7/8, the July 8th, so 4 days after July 4th. Anyways, you can see here, year to date, not year to date, but the past 2 months is generating $725 using just one contract. So obviously, this is not going to generate a bulk of my money. You can see the bullish bot is what does all the money, $6,000 in the last 2 months. This was only done 700. This is just for the fun daily activity to see movement, see price action. But your main money, my main money, comes from those long-term bots. So anyways, daily income bot right here running a trade up $20 right now that placed this morning. If we look at the rules here, obviously 1 DTE on SPX, we enter at the 35 delta and we go $20 away. Entry rules is we enter for the daily opening range breakout, which means we wait for a 60-minute window and then it trades once the market breaks above that high. Again, the bot manages all these rules, exits, take profit, and all that. And they can all be adjusted to the risk tolerance and levels you want to take. You can also create your own bots, but this is the options bot portfolio system that I have used to make over $7,000 in the last 2 months using 3 simple bots. Whether you want to use bots or not, this is a process you should use. Have a bullish strategy, have a bearish strategy, and have something for daily activity so you don't go insane and do things you shouldn't with your account. That is the portfolio. If you want to learn more, feel free to hit the subscribe button. If you want to check out your options bots and try building your own, click the link down below to start your 30-day trial.